Hi everyone, welcome to the Dollar Tree. Let's see what they have, guys. This is the one near my home. So look at these florals. Okay, so these poinsettias here are more like a burgundy color, and look at the baby ones in silver and in white. And then we have some of these. They are absolutely beautiful, those baby ones. And we have some of those, and these are trimmed in the gold. And then you have the berries here along the bottom. Okay, and you have tons of wrapping paper and candy cans. Okay, and let's look over here. Okay, so we have the mini boxes. Oh look, we have the paper cutters. These come in handy for wrapping. And then you have the gift card holders. Now I never seen these here. So you have this kind here. Let me see if I could show you. See it? And you have the Santa one. I never seen those. I think those are new to our Dollar Tree. And then this is the snowman. These are the mini boxes all the way up, and the big bows. Let me back up. You have the tissues, the ribbon, and then here are some adhesive tags. You get 52 in here. And then these here come with the little mini bows. So you got plenty of those. Then you have these. These are really pretty too. And these. And I'm liking these too. Look at these. So you get, how many come in the pack? I think 25 in that pack right there. Then over there you have the gift tags. Okay, here's some tape. And look, you have some socks. Some ankle socks. These are so pretty. So you have that one. This one. That one, I think that's a hedgehog. And there's the koala, I think. The Santa, the snowman, and the penguin. And these are little mini bags, resealable bags. So then over here, guys, look, we didn't have the Merry Christmas. Now we have it there in the red and the gold. I can't get back there to that corner. So you have the Santa stop here, the Santa stop there sign, and then there, and then here are these snowflakes, the 3-tier, and those up there are the wreaths. So you have Believe in the Magic of Christmas. You have the reindeer. I love the size of that reindeer. Here it is in the gold, silver, and I think back there they have red. There's the sleigh. It's the most wonderful time of the year. I'm absolutely loving this gnome sign. At least we have it. A lot of places don't have it, but it's beautiful. And then you have the jingle bells. Then you have the tinsel truck, and then you have the star. There's the Noel, and then you have those candy canes, the elves. I'm sorry, I had a stall there. Here is some more tissue paper in the red and the green, and I think this is a church. Isn't that beautiful? And they're big sizes. Like, look at this. These ornaments are huge. You have the Merry Christmas, and then you have the snowman. This Dollar Tree usually carries everything. Okay, Joy to the World. Well, a lot of everything. Here's the elf, the tinsel elf, and there's the camper. And then these are the felt Santa. Some more tinsel along the wall, some ornaments along the bottom. Oh look, they even have the nutcrackers. Aren't they beautiful? And so now these balls over here, they do change color. You twist the top and they're like multicolor. Then you have the bells in multicolor, and even those suction cups. Those suction cups come in handy when you're decorating. Then you have like the 3D ornament. I like this ornament. See what I mean? It's very pretty. I only have it in blue. Then they have the icicles in the red, the silver, and then here's the star. Here's the reindeer, the Merry Christmas. So now they're coming out here with a lot more. I see the camper. Here's the camper. There's that door with the wreath. I love that. Here's the peace and the love. So, and these are the poinsettia clips. So you get 3 of these clips for $1. That's not bad. Nice for crafting. Okay. So So let me just scan this for you. Oh, and I just wanted to tell you, look at these picks. So you get 5 picks for $1. So there it is in silver and gold. I love these. And then those are the ornament hooks. You got some fuzzy socks. You got fuzzy socks down here. And then these are the sweater ornaments. I think these are new to this Dollar Tree here. Then you have the snowmen. There's the Santa. Okay. You have the ornaments along the bottom down here. They're pretty stocked in the store near my home. And you have all the florals over here. Look at that. We still have the berries. Okay, I love these white ones. Then you have the window clings. Some more window decorations. This is the doorknob knockers. And they put a lot of the wood decor over here and the stakes. So those are the tinsel trees and the bells and all of the garlands. Very pretty. Look at these mini wreaths. So they're calling them mini wreaths. You can put the candle in between there. Very beautiful. Okay, so then we have some mini boxes, gift boxes. So this one says Farm Fresh Christmas trees. Okay, and those come in 3 different sizes. And then here you have Deck the Halls. Okay. I'm just scanning those. Let's see what's on this side. So you got some more hooks and some more paper bags. Gift boxes. I'll just scan that for you. Even the jumbo ones. These are pretty huge. Okay. Now you have the mini stocking. Isn't that adorable? I love that buffalo check. Here's the Santa. And then you have some more socks. I like that one. Then you have the tinsel for the small tree, and there's the tree topper for the small tree. And some ornaments. These are the skirts. And look, they have the color changing tapered candle. And then there's the tree topper. And these are the ornaments for the mini tree, and there's the LED with some lights. Then along here we have some treat bags, some more candy, Christmas candy. Oh, these lollipops are so cute. Look, they even have the Santa and the snowman. Then we have the plastic containers along the bottom, and here's the smaller one. This one is the truck with the tree. There's the gingerbread, peace on earth, and here's some garland. And look, the ice trays with the bells. Then you have some matching cards, and then this one must be the snowman. Okay, so this is the door cover, and this is the treat bags. This is the reindeer headband, and those are the necklaces. You have some plush animals along the bottom there, and here are some gnome erasers, some pencils and pens. Great, all of this is great stocking stuffers. And there you have some reindeer headbands, and along the top also. They are so stocked over here. Okay, so we have some candy cane sticks right here, and some trays, some more candy. Here's some gift bags, and now they're still on stock on boxing stuff, but along the bottom here you have some containers. Now I think this one here is new, and that one, peace on earth, and they go all the way down to the end, so I can't see them all, but look at this, look at the size of these. And look at that one, it's so cute. And then these, I don't remember these last year. They're so pretty, and look at the green one. So we have some deco mesh and some ribbon along the bottom, some tools, some LED lights. Here's the deco mesh over here, and some wooden figures, and here's some foam figures. Look at the angel. Then you have some glitter stickers, and this is foam scatter. Oh look, they still have the signs, the peace. don't want to move them all, but I think these are the one that say peace. And then these are the suction cups up close. This is smaller, these are bigger. The wreath hangers, and they only have a few of those globes. The pom-poms. Okay, the decorative bows, the faux snow. Oh look, they restocked the ribbon. I'll just scan that for you. Oh, look, the truck. Then you have the plastic ornaments that you can make yourself, and some more chenille stems. And here, oh look at this. This is the DIY LED paper house. These are so nice. That's the candy shop. I think that's the church. Yeah, that's the church. And here is the candy shop. That's what they have here. And then they have the LED lights. And this is the tubing. This is the LED lights, but it's still in the tubing. And then these are the regular ones. And then these are the tapered candle color changing. So you have some lanterns along the bottom. One of those ornaments are going off. Then you have some more here. The Christmas village. So we still have a lot. Look at the antique shop, and then the church. Here's the antique shop, the general store. Very pretty. And then they have the tinsel trees, the white and the green, and some of these miniature ornaments to go with it. So guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree just to see what they have left in Christmas decor, and I'll see you in the next video.